So I got a whole bunch of these Mead composition booklets, and we use these things for our drives, so just for logs, maintenance logs and that kind of thing. And the way we use these is we throw them on a hook. So I just grabbed the stack like this, and I grabbed the drill, and I drilled it out quick, and I got this. So now we can hang this on our hooks. Now the problem was, this one was upside down. So keep that in mind if you're in the very unusual scenario where you're going to be drilling through. So the last book is upside down. This one is going to have 2 holes in it. There we go. So now we got a log for the drive. And we've been using these things for a while. You can see they just make fantastic logs. Lots of information, lots of space. Perfect. There we go. All the new drives got their logs.